Guys, just take a good look at what Owen did. What he allowed me to do. First day I bought this mic, he was the one that used it to cut this place. Now he have allowed me to break the handle. I just pick up my camera to vlog this morning. While I was vlogging, he was just shouting. I don't know what's wrong. I need to like drop my camera very fast and go and see what's wrong with him. That's when this thing just break. Like, I'm very angry now because I'm going to order this online again. This is what you cause this one. He went to go and be putting his hand inside speaker. What are you using your hand to do inside speaker? Yeah? I'm asking you a question. What were you using your hand to do inside? Come, oh yeah, leave there, my friend. What were you? Come here. Owen. I said come here. What were you using your hand to do inside the speaker? Eh? Am I not talking to you? Eh? All you do in this house is to scatter. Scatter, spoil things. I'm talking to you, young man. Owen. You see what he's doing? You see where? Oh yeah. Stand up there. Hey, this boy. If I beat you this morning, eh? If I beat you, come out from that place. Come out. Close. Better. Yeah, I'm tired of this boy. I wish I would just see where to send him to go and do like a month holiday there. I would have been very, very happy. I wish I would see where to send him to. Anyways, guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl here, Promise Breezy, and you're highly welcome to my channel. If this is your first time seeing my face, you're highly welcome. Please don't forget to hit that red button that says subscribe and click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay, so guys, welcome back again to another vlog. Yeah, right now I'm about to look for something to eat. I think I'll be drinking milk and my crunchy nene. So because I want to go out right now, I need to put something in my tummy first because I'm hungry. I don't know why. I just woke up this morning and be hungry. Unlike me. Oh yeah, close that fridge. I wish I would just see where to send him to go and do holiday. So I want to drink milk, guys. Fridge. I said close that fridge. And leave there fast. It's like you want me to beat you this morning, right? Okay, no problem. I'll beat you since that is what you want. I don't have much things in my freezer again. Oh my goodness. I think I'm going to be cooking jollof rice later, so I want to remove turkey for that. So guys, I just finished drinking my milk and crunchy fruit. Yeah, so right now we're about to go out. I want to go and get some things to prepare jollof rice. Yeah, I want to cook jollof rice, so we are going to, maybe I'll branch the street market. I don't know yet. Maybe I'll just go to street market because I wanted to get something in the street market, but I don't know yet. I might go to street markets, I might not, because street market time is even late to go to street market right now, but maybe I will go. Oh, well, come and wear your sandals. Let's go. If you are doing something bad, you will not hear this voice again. You will just be calm, be doing what he's doing. What are you doing? Eh? Oh yeah, wear your sandals. Let's go. So guys, we are about to leave the house now. We'll see you guys later. Okay, see you later. Let's go together anyway. Maybe I'll be getting some clip there. I don't know yet.
You call in my life, you break the line. I'm falling for you. You're stuck in my mind, just all the time. I'm falling for you. And tell me your secrets. I will tell you my secrets. We are different colors, but I like.
So guys, welcome back again. Yeah, I didn't just came back from supermarket, from street market. Yeah, I came back since, but I was just relaxing, just chilling, you know. So right now today weather is so nice, so calm, so cool. Like the sun is not so hot whatsoever. I just love today weather. I wish the rest of this summer would just be like this. Buy more later because I don't normally buy peppers in store. I normally buy from, like the pepper I got last year, and I still have some of them left in my freezer. So that is very important. This is August. If you're in Palma de Mallorca, I don't know, but if you're in Palma de Mallorca, this is the best time to buy pepper. I'm telling you, this is the perfect time to buy pepper, because if you don't buy it now, later on when it's winter period, they are going to be putting just 3 seeds for you for €1. So guys, and I got this as well. I also got grapes, which is uvas, and I got some cherry. Yeah, I love cherry, but not all of them are sweet. Most time if you get them, they are not sweet, so that's why I don't buy cherry all the time. But you see this one that are very dark in colors, they are so nice. They taste so nice. So I got some cherry, and right now I'm going to be cooking. I removed this turkey in the morning before I went to market, so I'm going to be using it to cook right now. And I also get some red bell pepper. This one is for my jollof rice. So guys, let's start the cooking. Okay, first of all, I'll be boiling the turkey. Yeah. guys, right now my jollof rice is ready. Yeah, I'm waiting for it to cook so that I'll be able to pack it and put in the fridge. I just finished cooking and I was not able to record everything because it was already getting dark. I needed to cook very fast so that I'll be out of this kitchen, you know. So right now I just finished cooking my jollof rice. I've already cleaned here, so I'll just go ahead right now to go and take my shower, to go and bathe, then I will eat, relax, chill before I go to bed. So guys, right now we are about to eat. Come and join us to eat
the next day.
So guys, welcome back again. We say let it not look as if we not eat the rice in the camera, so join us, let's eat the rice together, okay? You see the yummy rice? Oh, are you feeling the rice?
Yes.
Oh, Owen is feeling the rice, okay? Look at the yummy rice. You see it? Yeah. Let me try and let it focus. Why is it not focusing? Come on, focus here, come on. Yeah, guys, you can see the rice. So delicious. Yeah, come and join us, let's eat. Take the first spoon. The first spoon, yeah. Nico, don't fall my hand in front of camera, okay? Eat. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, well, look at the camera. Let's pose for Tommy. Let's pose for Tommy. Look at here. Owen, look at here. See this. This. Owen, this. Jesus Christ. Owen, this. Jesus. Owen, look at this. This. Look at this. This. Yeah. That would be okay for Tommy. That is how we normally eat, guys. This food that I will be eating, that will take me like 10 minutes. If I'm eating with Owen, I'll spend like 30 minutes or 40 minutes here. Yes, we are making video. You need to learn how to make video because very soon you start uploading on your channel, you know? Yes. You know, right? Eh? Okay. I guess you know. Very soon we'll start uploading. Very soon we'll start uploading on your channel. So guys, we just finished eating. Although Owen is still eating his meat, is almost done. So guys, I'm going to be ending this video here because I don't want it to be too long. Yeah, so this the plates, just small one. Let's, we didn't finish it, just little one. Let's go and feed up. So thank you all so much for watching this vlog. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you all in my next video, okay? Thank you. Please, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please hit the red button that says subscribe and be part of this our lovely family, okay? And give this video a thumbs up, turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video you'll be the first to be notified. Meanwhile, we are still on our everyday upload, okay? See you in my next video. Bye bye.